Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Love is God by the Hawkins family. This song was written in the key of D flat. It's going to modulate back and forth between A flat and D flat. Okay, so there's three distinct sections that repeat various times. So I'm going to start with the first section. Okay, so the first section starts off, when you fall, love, oh love, to pick you up. Aren't around when you fall, and there's one you can turn to. Lord will hold you, and love is God. Okay, so that was the first section of the song. You're going to start off, it's an F sharp minor 6 over A, and then you're going to add the D flat in the bass. To D flat. Again. Then you're going to go to a C minor 7 flat 5. Now if you don't have the stretch of the 10th like I do, you can just do something like this. Okay. And then you're going to go to a nice F7 flat 9 sharp 5. Then you're going to go resolve it to a sharp 5 to an F7. Then an F sharp minor 6 over A to a B flat minor 7. Actually, you can add the minor 9 if you like in there. Okay, then we're going to drop down. A flat minor 7 to D flat 9. Then you're going to play a B over F sharp. Then do it again. When you fall, and there's, so that play that A flat, then this A diminished 7. Then we're going to play this nice, it's a B flat 9 sus4. So it's like playing an A flat chord over B flat, and I'm adding that melody note of the B flat there. We're going to go to a B flat 7 flat 9. Okay, then we're going to go to a D diminished 7 to an E flat minor 7. Alright, then G minor 7 flat 5, C7 sharp 5, God will, F minor 7, B flat minor 7, and then quick 2-5-1, love is God. Okay, and the next section. So Seems like times are getting harder. The going's getting rough. The going's getting tough. Okay, so this section is going to start off B flat minor 9. This is a 2-5-1 to A flat, to E flat, to A flat. Seems like, okay, we're going to go to an A flat minor 7. We're going to do a little quick bass line to a D flat 7. Keep going down to a B flat minor 7. Harder to E flat minor 7. To A flat minor 7. The going's getting rough. Okay. Then B flat minor 7. The going's getting E flat. A flat sus4 to A flat. Let me play it once more at full speed. Seems like times are getting harder. The going's getting rough. The going's getting tough. And then you're going to play. You're going to play the same progression again. A friend, they're not around at all, and then they just watch you fall. Okay. For the next section, you're going to be going back to the chords from the original progression. So let me play along with the track for a little bit here. When you fall. Same chords we've gone over. Okay, so again, same chords. So. Okay, and after that section, we're going to go to a quick little instrumental. Then we're going to go back to when you fall and there's no you can turn to. God will hold you. And then you repeat, God will hold you. Okay, and then love is little jazz chord. God, do 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 do. So for the little do-do-dos at the end, you're going to go. It's a D flat minor 7 to an F sharp 9 to an E flat to an A flat minor 7 to a D flat minor 7 again to E flat to A flat. Then we end off E flat minor 7 to A flat to D flat sus4. Thank you so much. I will be back with some more tutorials very soon. Take care, everybody.